How many hours did you waste this week just managing emails? If your inbox feels like a digital black hole sucking away productivity, you're not alone. The Email Productivity Pack gives you Inbox Zero frameworks with atomic email triage protocols, a customizable template library with 200 plus AI optimized response skeletons, automation blueprints that integrate with Zapier and Make, and priority scoring algorithms that learn from your workflow. Project managers drowning in status updates, sales execs chasing ghost responses, and consultants juggling client chaos. This is your lifeline. Stop letting emails run your day. Here's what's inside the Email Productivity Pack: data preparation with smart chunking strategies, Inbox Zero implementation using the 2-minute rule matrix, AI response generation with context aware tone adaptation, template customization engine with drag and drop variable blocks, automation workflow blueprints for recurring tasks. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just email management, it's a productivity revolution in your inbox. Installing the Email Productivity Pack takes one command: npx quanta skills add email productivity pack. That's it. The entire workflow downloads instantly, all phases, templates, and automation scripts. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands commands like prioritize this thread and generate follow up with delay trigger. No keyboard smashing required, just instant inbox enlightenment. Ready to stop working for your email and make it work for you?